Good afternoon, outdoorers. Hoping you're all well. Thank you very much for tuning in. Today I'm going to be planting some garlic. This is an ex-onion bed. Did really well this year. I want to try and repurpose as much as I can. We've got these garlic bulbs. I wasn't going to plant these really until December, but I'm getting itchy feet. I've got a load of other things to be getting on with. So I just thought we'd have a go today. I've been doing my homework. I've never actually grown garlic before. But the general consensus appears to be about 4 inches. So just marked on this hammer, it's about 4.5 inches actually. I'm going to go a cheeky ½ an inch a little bit lower and just pop these in the ground. I'm not going to actually draw this out because planting garlic is evidently very simple. I was trying to find a clove that actually looks. There we go. Right, so you've got a clove here. It has a pointy end and a flat end. Flat end is where it roots, pointy end is where the shoots are going to emerge from. So as long as we get it up the right way, we can't really fail, as long as we've got some decent matter to grow into. So this is about 10 inches of compost. As I said, had onions in before, and I've got a layer of mulch. The mulch consists of old leaves, grass clippings, horse manure. So it should be really rich. Hopefully that won't be too much for them. But the idea is, and apologies for the blusteriness of the video, it's a bit windy today. We're late September, I think 29th of September. So we're going to get this in. Hopefully we're going to get some shoots popping up. Not too early. Evidently if you plant them too early and there's too much growth by the time the cold snaps come, if they do arrive in the UK, then we could be in trouble. Worst case scenario, we'll plant some more. It's pretty cheap to buy actually if you just buy the shop bought garlic. We're going to give it a go anyway. So essentially we've got a not really prepared bed at all. The onions came out of here a while. I put some mulch over the top and I've got some more mulch in a bucket just here. So just drill in 4.5 inch hole. Pop your garlic clove that you've pulled from a garlic bulb and split, pop it in, pointy end up, pop it in the ground and cover it over. That is evidently as difficult as it needs to be. Obviously we've got a lot of moisture in the air at the moment. We've no doubt got a lot of rain to come, so we're not actually going to worry about watering these guys. We're just literally going to plant them and leave them. And hopefully, fingers crossed, we will have some sort of harvest to play around with. They're about 6 inches apart. That seems to be about the depth to go for. Pop them in the ground, cover them over. Then what we're going to do afterwards, if I just finish this row. In fact, actually, I will mention. Right, so this is elephant garlic. Just going to put a couple of cheeky elephant garlic cloves, maybe down just a tiny bit deeper. They're supposed to be biggies. So there you go, elephant garlic, absolutely humongous. Hopefully that grows into a big bulb. Supposed to be a milder flavour than other types of garlic, but that's all good because we're going to be wanting to make chili sauces at some point. So we need onions, we need garlic, we need chilies. And hopefully we will be okay. So that's one row planted. I won't bore you to tears with doing the rest of it. What we're going to do now, just to give it an extra layer, just going to cover over again with some mulch, just to protect it against the frost. We want to plant them now actually, so it tricks them into starting growth. We want them to think it's winter. We want it to be nice and cool in the soil, but I also want to try and protect it against the birds if they do start to shoot, and basically look after them. So they've got a nice little duvet of mulch there, 4.5 inches in the ground, pointy side up, a little bit of weeding during the spring no doubt, and hopefully I'll have something to show you in the spring and we'll keep those monitored and let's see how we go. Thanks very much for tuning in. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.